Schluter DESIGNBASE-SL is a wall-based profile used as an alternative to wall bases made of wood or vinyl. It features a clean, finished look and can be used with tile, other floor coverings, or even finished concrete. The profile is available in stainless steel, color-coded aluminum, and anodized aluminum. The stainless steel version of the profile comes in two heights, one of which is greater than 6 inches, making it suitable for commercial applications where sanitary cove bases are desired. Accessories such as inside and outside corners, end caps, and connectors are available to create neat and clean transitions. An optional ceiling lip is also available to help protect the floor-to-wall transition from moisture and to reduce the transmission of impact sound. This makes DESIGNBASE-SL an ideal choice for creating functional, beautiful wall bases for tiled floors. In our demonstration, we will show you how to install the DESIGNBASE-SLE stainless steel profile as a cove base in a commercial application. The tile has already been installed and grouted. Measure the space where the design base will be installed. Keep the accessories in mind when taking measurements. The DESIGNBASE-SLE accessories are attached after the profile is installed. The aluminum profile accessories must be installed in conjunction with the profiles. Make sure to consider this when determining the required length of the profile. Transfer your measurements to the profile and cut using an appropriate tool. Since DESIGNBASE-SLE is made of stainless steel, we will be using a variable speed angle grinder with the Schluter ProCut TSM cutting wheel. Remember to always observe all safety instructions and standards. Set the angle grinder to the lowest speed and cut the profile slowly. Then, file the cut end of the profile to remove any burrs. Make sure to dry fit the profiles before moving forward. DESIGNBASE-SL is applied to prepared walls using Schluter CurdyFix or other suitable adhesive. Before applying the adhesive, make sure that the profile and wall surfaces are free from substances that could inhibit adhesion, such as dust, paint overspray, oil, or grease. When using the ceiling lip, remove the foil strip and adhere to the bottom of the profile so that the front edge of the ceiling lip is flush with the profile. Apply beads of CurdyFix running the length of the back of the profile above and below the foam spacer. The foam spacer is only present on the stainless steel profiles. Press the profile onto the wall, ensuring solid contact throughout. Remove excess adhesive immediately. Repeat the process to install the remaining profiles. The accessories are installed using a permanently elastic waterproof adhesive. We are using CurdyFix, but silicone could be used as well. Apply CurdyFix to the inside corner and set it in place carefully, making sure it is properly aligned. Make any adjustments while the CurdyFix is still fresh. Repeat this process for the connectors and end caps until all of the accessories have been installed. Once the profile is installed, it may be necessary to add sealant to the top of the DESIGNBASE-SL. This can help to hide imperfections where the wall is not flat and a gap remains between the profile and the wall. Remember to remove any excess sealant immediately. The installation of the DESIGNBASE-SLE and accessories is now complete. As you can see, the DESIGNBASE-SL creates hygienic and functional installations with an elegant and modern design.